The red color meaning is associated with excitement, passion, danger, energy, and action. You might have noticed that some brands use red for "order now" buttons or for their packaging as a way to stand out on the shelf. In color psychology, red is the most intense color. Its ability to instantly grab people's attention is the reason why it's often used to warn people of impending danger. Think stop signs, sirens, fire engines, breaking news banners, and red traffic lights. Red color is found to be the most intense color that can attract attention and invoke strong emotions such as passion, love, or anger. Color analysts find red as the color of power, courage, strength, and danger as well. Red color is found to be effective at increasing appetite. Imagine a red apple. It is also found to be effective at enhancing metabolism and regulating respiration rate and blood pressure. Red color is energizing, stimulating, vibrant, exciting, and motivating. Red fill you with confidence and makes you step out of your comfort zone. Red color is quite a primary color used by brands such as YouTube or Coca-Cola. Brands use red to induce excitement and compel users to take action. For example, the play buttons on websites or doors or other call to actions icons are in red color. It's associated with passion, energy, and warmth. In color psychology, red is known to stimulate the senses, increase heart rate, and create a sense of urgency. This makes it a powerful tool in interior design, where it can be used to draw focus, create focal points, and add a dynamic edge to any room. Wearing red color can increase your energy levels. During sports, wearing red can also induce the feeling of winning. Sportspersons wearing red-colored uniforms may make them feel dominant and perform more aggressively. Athletes in red-colored clothing may be seen as more dominant, more aggressive, and more likely to win a physical competition. At work, wearing red color can make you feel energetic and poised to achieve success. Red color is also associated with prestige and red carpet feeling. The color of power tie is also found to be red across the world as per color analysts. Red is also linked to passion, love, and desire. Wear red in smaller patches, such as a blouse or scarf, to energize the group or the meeting. It also uplifts your mood.
Remember, its skills never end. Thank you.